Good morning, students. I am here again, your EVS teacher Neha Sinha, with my another video for another chapter, EVS for class 2. In previous video, you had learned about the first chapter of Unit 1, I am growing, and there was a girl, Ruma. I hope you all remembered her, and she is here again. In the second chapter, my body is strong of Unit 1. This is the second chapter of Unit 1. My body is strong. This girl, she is telling you all hello again. She is telling something about herself again. I went for a long walk with my father. She is saying that she went for a long walk with her father in the garden, and when they went for a long walk in the garden, there they exercised. That means Ruma and her father, they both have exercised. See, they are exercising. You all have books, you can see in the picture they are exercising. We exercise in the garden. After that, while exercising, my father told me about our different body parts. While Ruma was exercising with her father told about different body parts, that there are different body parts. You also know about it. I know that you all know about the different body parts. But one thing her father had mentioned, that the body parts that can be seen from outside are called external body parts. Underline this. The body parts that can be seen from outside are called external body parts. There are many body parts, internal and external. The one which we can see, like our hairs, eyes, nose, in details I'll teach you in the next topic. These body parts are termed as external body parts, and the one which we cannot see are termed as internal body parts, like our liver, our heart, lungs. So that we will discuss later when the topic will come. Now come to the first topic of the chapter, that is external body parts. Look at the picture and draw a line from each level to match the correct part of the body. Yes, here is a boy. You can see, and the names of different body parts are written here, this side and this side. So you have to match with your pencil and with the names of the body parts, like this. This is hair. All of you have hairs, na? Like this way you have to match. Then nose. This is nose. Then ear. Like this way you have to match. Correct? This you have to do as homework. You will do as homework. I had done for your convenience. Now you will do the rest. The whole you will do the rest. The whole you have to match the whole. I have done 2 to 3 for your convenience. Now we'll proceed further. My father also told me that parts of body are called organs, and each organ has a specific function to perform. Yes, Ruma's father had told her that the parts of body are called organ. Underline that. Parts of body are called organs. Each organ has a specific function to perform. Yes, different parts of body are termed as organs, and each and every specific organ has a specific function to perform. So each organ has a specific functions to perform. They have different functions. According to that, they do their activity. For example, our eyes, we used to see with it. The eye is our body part, and we utilize it to see. Like the same way, there are different body parts. So we'll go to the next page. Here it comes, the next page. Yes, and another homework and another task for you all. I hope you all are getting the things. If not, then ask me. After watching these videos, I'll clarify your doubts. Guess the body parts. Next topic. Read the riddle below carefully and guess the body parts. Take help from the images and words provided in the box. Some words have been provided in the box and riddles have been given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some more are there. I think it's in next page. I have to turn it off. Yes. 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14 riddles have been given for you all. Paheliyan, riddles. You had to solve it. After that 14 riddles, one more riddle is given on the same page, page number 22. I am not a curtain, but you close me every night, so that you can go to sleep. I am what gives you your sight. Who am I? The answer is eyes. I had mentioned the answer for you all for the riddle. Every one of you used to close your eyes now at night when you sleep. Now come to the next page. Here again, Ruma's father had told her something, that my father told me that there are many body parts or organs present inside our body. Earlier Ruma's father had told her that there are many body parts which are present outside and they are termed as external body parts. Now he had told her that there are many body parts or organs which are present inside our body which we cannot see. So a picture is given here, a figure is given here, and through which it had been mentioned some of the internal body parts. This chart or this picture explains the internal body parts. Before that, underline there are many body parts or organs present inside our body. These organs are called internal body parts. Yes, underline this. Through this picture you will learn the external part and the internal part. Both have been drawn. So this is our brain. Inside our head, brain, then heart, on our chest, lungs are there, also on chest, muscles, veins, arteries and veins are there, muscles, मांसपेशियां जिसको बोलते हैं हम लोग, and stomach. This is stomach, पेट, our stomach, our tummy. Then this is our bones, हड्डियाँ. You can see it. Now come to further. Our brain works like computer. All of you know that our brain works like computer. You had also studied about computer, or if not, you will study in next class maybe. So our brain, it works like computer. Yes, you used to learn things, and our brain used to store it. Help us to learn, remember and think. Even we use it to remember and think. It also controls our body and all its activity. It controls our body and the different activities which we perform. It is all controlled by brain. After that, Ruma's father told her to put your hand on the left side of the chest. All of you will also put your hand. When you will put your hand on the left side of the chest, you will feel something there. A heartbeat, your heartbeat. The heart is pumping continuously blood. That's why you can feel your heartbeat there. I heard my heartbeat. He told me that the heart continuously pumps blood to all body parts. Yes, it continuously pumps blood. Because of the same, we can feel our heartbeat to the whole body part. There is blood in our body part. If we get cuts or wounds, then blood comes out. We also have 2 lungs which help us to breathe. Yes, 2 lungs. Previously I told you about nostrils. Now we have 2 lungs, 2 pair of lungs which help us to breathe. take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Then we have stomach. Everyone have stomach, tummy, which is full of lots and lots of your favorite food, pizza, burger. Yeah. So what is the stomach? Stomach is a large bag-like organ that crunch food so that we can digest it and our body can use it. Yes, we used to bite food, chew it, and then through our food pipe it goes to our stomach, and there further digestion process goes on. Then our muscles. Our muscles are like rubber bands. They help our body bend and move. Yes, with the help of muscles, our body bend and move. Then after that, the next is your bones. It gives us support to stand. The skeletal system you will study further in your senior classes. You haven't heard about it, or maybe you have heard about it in your previous class, but you will study further about it in details in your senior classes when you will reach in higher standards. They also help us move and protect our other organs. Yes, they also help us to move and protect other organs. Bones and muscles, they all protect the internal organs which are inside our body, and there is an upper covering there which is called skin. The chapter is over. Here is the exercise. You have to do it. So thank you, students. Soon I will upload the question answers.